Chapter 19 Beautiful Birds. Hello friends. Today we're going to meet some beautiful birds. Birds make our world lively with their colors and songs. This is a peacock, the national bird of India. It has bright, colorful feathers and dances beautifully in the rain. This is a parrot. Parrots are green and can talk or copy our words. They love eating chilies and fruits. This is a pigeon. Pigeons are gentle birds and can fly long distances. This is a duck. Ducks live near water and are great swimmers. This is a hen. Hens give us eggs and are found on farms. This is a crow. Crows are black and very smart. They can find food easily. Birds are our friends. We should never harm them and always enjoy their beauty and songs.